Yes, ma'am.
Previously, who used to take your class? पहले आप लोग का क्लास कौन लेता था?
Hindu ma'am.
Hindu ma'am.
Okay.
Hindu ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है, तो आपका कौन सा पेजेस कंप्लीट हो चुका है? कहाँ तक पेजेस कंप्लीट हो चुका है?
Number 10.
पेज नंबर 10. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
अगर पेज नंबर 10 तक हो गया है तो फर्स्ट हैव अ क्विक रिवीजन. 10 तक का एक क्विक रिवीजन कर लेते हैं कि उसमें क्या पढ़ना है. First of all, in first page, this is all included in your lesson 1. Lesson 1, language and literature. Here we have to see mind power, how this word mind is used in a different way. Mind को हम differently कैसे, mind word को differently हम कैसे use कर सकते हैं. Participants, all of you, please mute your mic. Otherwise, this class will become one sided only. जो भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हो सब लोग अपना माइक अभी पहले म्यूट पे रखो. Like Daniel, Rehan, and Priyanshu Ranjan. Just mute your mic, all of you. When I'll ask you, then only you come to open it. Here, mind power means that how we are using this mind word in different sense. Like how can you go out in this heat? You must be out of your mind. Means it is such a scorching heat that you will not be stable. Please hurry up and make up your mind about what you want to do. आपको जल्दी करना होगा, हरी अप करना होगा कि आप डिसाइड करने के लिए, ये डिसीजन फैक्टर है यहाँ पे कि आपको क्या करना है. You have to decide it just now. I am very busy. I have a lot on my mind. Means I have more, too much work. There are variety of works that have to be completed. So I have to be. I am very busy just now. Here it is. Mind is used in that sense. Please do not mind as I have to leave the party now. आप इस बात को बुरा नहीं मानिएगा क्योंकि मुझे अभी पार्टी छोड़ना पड़ेगा. I'll have to leave the party. Then mind you, all that you say can be used against you in the court. It is just a order given. ये तुम सोच लो कि अगर आप अभी जो बोलते हो वो सब आपके कोर्ट में, means it is talking about some case. Mind your think before you speak. Mind your tongue is a proverb. आप कोई बात बोलने से पहले सोचना चाहिए. This it is time to tell. यही ये बोलना चाह रहा है. ठीक है. Then after that, I am in two minds to go to the US or to Australia. Means there is a deciding factor. That what not to. It is all in the mind, so try to be strong. तो आप दिमाग से सोचकर अपने आप को strong बना सकते. Mindful of all the work he was doing, his boss gave him a promotion. He was doing means he was working so at his gave him mindless of all the harm he would cause. The woodcutter cut down the tree. Means it is just such a careless work that all that caused the woodcutter to mindless of all the here in the sense of then which city are you in? This is the next page. Here we are adding city in the suffix means at the last. Then and all the word are meaning is different, but the city word is there in all that word. Elasticity, simplicity, scarcity, sagacity, velocity, vivacity, audacity, capacity, toxicity, and publicity. All this word is having city and it is meaning different in all different sense. It's never too late. Here we are having late in the suffix. Like inflate, relate, oscillate, elate, formulate, manipulate, plate, stipulate, collate, and vacillate. Again, somebody's mic is there on. Then maze of words. Here is a puzzle of words, and you have to find out different meaning. Develop means there is a synonym of one word, and you have to find it out from this word first. Then Indian roots means there are some Indian name given to a particular type of post. Like an officer is known as Sahib in Indian, you can say Indian words. Then work or duty is known as karma. An expert or a spiritual leader is known as guru. A spicy Indian dish is known as curry. A poor man is known as fakir. Oven for roasting raw food is known as tandoor. A sure formula for success is known as mantra. These all are Indian words related to Indian language. Salvation or freedom of soul from suffering, moksha. A scholar or a priest is known as pandit. And system of exercises based on Hindu philosophy is known as yoga. Then these are the quotes, quotable quotes given by great persons like Thomas Edison, William Wordsworth, Francis Bacon, John Nitt, Benjamin Franklin, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, J.K. Rowling, Bill Gates, and Barack Obama. Different quotes or proverbs are given. Sayings of different great personalities. Then variant verbs in this page, we will use the verb in a different meaning. Like solve, if we are telling in sense of solve, then it is related to mystery. Compose a song, frame a picture, strike a pose, appear in an examination, conduct an orchestra, regulate the traffic, and verify the statement. Then unscramble the given word, given letters, and write the correct word. Like here it will be commit a crime, throw a tantrum, devise a plan.
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर?
Page number 7. Tie a knot, keep a secret, and copy a file. Then I'm just having a quick look, as you all have done till page 10, then we will come to that page. Then writings of great men, here are some of the books related to it, means whose author's name you have to write. Like Train to Pakistan is Khuswant Singh, The Home and the World, Rabindranath Tagore, Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar, My Country, My Life, L.K. Advani, Wings of Fire, APJ Kalam, Business at the Rate of Speed of Thought, Bill Gates, The Boy, Billionaire, Marx, Zuckerberg, then Blue Umbrella, Ruskin Bond, Making India Awesome, Chetan Bhagat, and Immortals of Meluha, Amish Tripathi. Then here pertinent proverbs are there. Proverbs you are using instead of what? Word, to add something to the meaning of word. So here are some important proverbs. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Hope for the best, but be prepared for the worst. Then fortune favors the brave. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. The pen is mightier than the sword. Better late than never. A picture is worth 1,000 words. There is no place like home. Action speaks louder than words. There is no time like the present. Where there is a will, there is a way. And time and tide waits for none. This is page number 9. Then come to page number 10. Till 10, you all are telling that you have completed. एक बार आप देख लो quickly. A bull in a china shop. One who destroys things. It is just a comparative study that how the expression can be compared with some animals. A snake in grass, cleverly hidden. A dark horse, one who brings bad name to his family. A wild goose or chase, it is chasing with determination and speed. Pearls before a swine, a stupid person not knowing the true value of things. At snail's pace, moving very slowly. Cat among pigeons, a cunning person among innocents. Hornet's nest, a great bundle of troubles and problems. Horse sense, common sense. Lion's den, a place of the powerful person. Then what's the word? Come to page number 11. 11 में आइए. ये आप लोगों ने अभी नहीं किया है, तो उसको हम लोग अभी कर लेते हैं. People are often identified and known by their peculiar habits, behaviors, or characteristics. Now you have to choose one word from the box and you have to write that name. That is correct to that option. Now Ankit Raj, 7C. Will you close your mic or mute your mic? Ankit Raj, 7C.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
An ambitious and a successful person. It is known as high flyer. High flyer. A person, a lazy person who loves watching lazy person who loves watching the TV. Cow's potato. A skillful young person. Whiz kid. Whiz kid. This is the alternative name given to this peculiar habit. A person or an expert obsessed with something. Geek. An organizer of commercial enterprise involving risk. Entrepreneur. A person who is addicted to the computer. Computer bug. A person having extreme opinion or obsession about religious beliefs. Fanatic. A person who is an expert at business deals. Wheeler dealer. A duplicate who is made genetically similar. Clone. A person who tracks animal illegally. Poacher. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next page, valuable values. Now, valuable values here are, you can say, some expressions given for their values in the society. So here, the students of class 7 saluted the national flag and pledged to do their best for their country. If you do anything best for your country, then that is known as patriotism. 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 Every day before going home, the students switch off the light and fans. This habit will be called as energy conservation. ENERGYCONSERVATION. Energy conservation. The students, next one, the students enjoyed celebrating their annual day with traditional songs and dances from different states of India, and that is known as unity in diversity. If different states are there, naturally the dances will be different in India in different states. And they are their folk dances, but that shows that how diverse Indian culture is. And that is known as unity in diversity. UNITYINDIVERSITY, unity in diversity. The students always ensure that water taps are closed after use, especially during the recess time. During recess time, children, when you go to school, when you were going to school, did you close the tap? आप लोग बंद करते थे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That habit will be known as what? उसको क्या बोला जाएगा? Water conservation.
Water conservation.
Yes. Why do we close the tap? We close it because water should not be wasted, as it is a very important resource and it is present in very less amount on the earth. So we have to preserve it, conserve it. So we will say water conservation. WATER, water. CONSERVATION, water conservation. The monitor of the class stopped his or her classmates from tearing paper and making paper balls or aeroplanes. What is this name called as?
Safe paper.
Yes, it
Safe
will be
paper.
called as safe paper. Now, why paper should be saved? Why should it be?
From bamboo.
Because the papers are made from trees.
Yes, we depend on trees for paper. जितना पेपर आप यूज करोगे उतना ट्रीज को कट करना पड़ेगा और तब आपका डिमांड फुलफिल होगा. तो जितनी जरूरत हो उतना ही पेपर यूज करना चाहिए. और as you all are here in the pandemic lockdown, आप घर में जो भी पुरानी कॉपी हो उसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा रफ वर्क के लिए और अदर वर्क के लिए यूटिलाइज करो, because all the resources are very limited children. Clear? So don't waste your paper. कभी भी मैं जब अभी स्कूल आप लोग नहीं जा रहे हो, हम लोग भी नहीं जा रहे हैं, टीचर्स भी नहीं जा रहे हैं, तो क्या करना चाहिए? घर में जो जितना रिसोर्स है उसको यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए. जैसे आपका रफ कॉपी के लिए यू ऑल डिमांड, मम्मी मुझे नई कॉपी चाहिए. नो, द लेफ्ट ओवर पेजेस of the used copy. जिस कॉपी को आप यूज किए क्लास 6 में, 7th में, उसका जो लेफ्ट ओवर पेजेस है उसको एक मोटी रफ कॉपी बना लीजिए और तब उसी से आप मैथ्स प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, साइंस का कुछ नोट्स उसमें लिख सकते हो जो रफ है। और आपका जो भी और रफ वर्क के लिए, प्रैक्टिस वर्क के लिए, that can be used like. So that is known as safe paper. The students prepared a timetable allocating proper time for each subject in order to revise thoroughly for their exam. That is known as time management. आप लोग, हाँ, जैसे कि हम लोग को भी रूटीन मिला हुआ है क्लास करने के लिए, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए भी। उसके बाद आप घर में भी जब एग्जाम आता है तो आप क्या करते हो कि आपको कितने देर कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना है, दैट यू ट्राई टू मैनेज। तो आप अगर मान लो मम्मी या पापा जो भी आपको गाइड करते हैं वो बताते होंगे कि आप एक रूटीन बनाओ कि किस समय क्या पढ़िएगा। ओके, तो दैट इज नोन एज टाइम मैनेजमेंट। The head boy and the head girl of the school let the students rally around the neighboring areas about clean city. Clean city. This quality is known as, yes, leadership. Make people aware. किसी चीज का awareness जो जगा सकता है अपने locality में, अपने society में, इस gesture को, इस quality को leadership quality है. That is known as leadership. All the students of class 7 gathered in the school garden and helped the teachers to distribute the important circular for the school function.
Cooperation.
That is known as cooperation. Means if anybody, if you have to clean the स्कूल फंक्शन के बारे में अगर कोई चीज डिस्कस करना है तो सबके कोऑपरेशन से ही कोई फंक्शन हो सकता है। सो हियर द स्कूल, this word will be cooperation. Then comes to the next page, fact 5. This fact is about R.K. Narayan. One of you please read it. एक बच्चा please इसको read करो।
Swami Iyer Narayan Swami. R.K. Narayan was a renowned author. He was born in Chennai. His father was a school headmaster. He spent a lot of his childhood time with his grandmother, enjoying listening to her stories. He was an avid reader, and his favorite authors were Charles Dickens,
Charles Dickens,
A.C. Doyle, Thomas Hardy, etc. In 1926, he completed his studies at school and then joined the Maharaja College, Mysore. He worked as a school teacher for a while and then took up writing as a profession. He wrote stories which were illustrated by his famous brother R.K. Lakshman and were published in the Hindu. His stories were widely read and appreciated for their simple and interesting narration. He wrote his first novel, Swami and His Friends, in 1930 and created an imaginary town of Malgudi. This novel was published in 1935 on the recommendation of his friend Graham Greene. His other famous novels are Bachelor of Arts, The Dark Room, The English Teacher, and Malgudi Days, collection of short stories. In 1958, his novel, The Guide, became very popular and was later made into a major hit film. An Indian television serial, Malgudi Days, was also based on his famous novel. He received Padma Bhushan in 1964 Sahitya Academy awarded in 1958 AC Benson Medal for Ma'am, ये क्या है?
Journalism.
Journalism in 1980. He was nominated as a member to the Rajya Sabha.
Now here you can see that this is a biography of all the fact written about R.K. Narayan. और ये आप इससे देख सकते हो कि he was a writer, he was a renowned author, and his full name was Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami. So this is a big name. And then first of all, he was born in Chennai. His father was a school headmaster. Then he enjoyed listening stories, and then he developed that quality by reading the favorite authors like Charles Dickens, A.C. Doyle, Thomas Hardy, etc. Then after completing his studies in 1926, he joined the Maharaja College in Mysore, and then after that he started writing books and stories, and his main stories, which was in the form of novels, were Bachelor of Arts, The Dark Room, The English Teacher, and Malgudi Days. And this Malgudi Days and The Guide. The Guide is a picture also. It was picturized in the form of cinema. And Malgudi Days were picturized in the form of series. ये एक series बना था बहुत पहले, जिसका नाम था Malgudi Days, and it was based on the novel of R.K. Narayan. Okay. Then, children, for your homework. Homework के लिए page number 14, 15, and 16 should be completed by you all. And then we will have one discussion in the next class about it answer. It is all what you have done in the previous pages. जो आपका previous page है, उसी का ये summary दिया हुआ है. So by this we will complete one chapter. So all of you please complete this page number 14, 15, and 16. The author of the following books. Here you have to write the author. No, it is just mismatched, and write them correctly. You have to write it correctly in the box according to the name of the book. Then you have to, second question, fill in the crossword with the help of clues given. Then the third question is write the meaning of the following. All you have done in the previous pages. उसका एक summary यहाँ दिया हुआ है, जिसको आप लोग को ढूंढकर लिख लेना है. और you have to remember till page number 15. सबको learn करना है page number 15 तक. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
In the following सब आप लोग कर लिए हो. पीछे जो expressions पढ़े हैं उसके बारे में यहाँ है. Complete the following with suitable words. Then write the word with th or use double letter word and hints to answer to form the answer. ये आप practice करके next class में आइएगा और तब we will discuss it and then we will move forward. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, as today is your first class with me, but from the next class, all of you note down at least 5 news, which apart from COVID का news लेकर नहीं आना है. आपको apart from COVID अगर news आपको एक week में जो important लगे, 5 news you will collect it and you will write it in a copy. एक कॉपी में लिखोगे, रफ कॉपी, कोई भी, उसको आप जीके कॉपी बना ले सकते हो. यूज्ड कॉपी, व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर आल्सो. और उसमें आपको यस बोलिए
मैम. क्या कोविड के बारे में लिखना है, मतलब उसका इम्पोर्टेंट
ये कॉपी रफ कॉपी रहेगा. घर का कोई भी कॉपी होगा, रफ कॉपी जो यूज्ड कॉपी है, उसको आप जस्ट नोट कर लीजिए.
मैम रिटन बाय इंग्लिश में, मैम इंग्लिश न्यूज लिखना है उसको.
इंग्लिश न्यूज लिखना है. यस, इंग्लिश न्यूज. क्या
मैम उसमें कॉपी में फैक्ट्स लिखना है.
फैक्ट नहीं लिखना है, न्यूज लिखना है, जो आप टीवी में सुन सकते हो। 10 मिनट न्यूज देखा करो, इंग्लिश न्यूज, और देखकर नोट करो, नोट अप,
Ma'am, can we
ठीक है? That
What
will
is-
be a practice for you all, so that you are in touch with what is happening in the world. वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है उससे आपको टच में रहिएगा। क्लियर?
Ma'am, can we also write about the sports? Ma'am, can we also write about the sports?
हाँ, सब सेंस में लिख सकते हैं। ज्योग्राफिकल लिख सकते हो, ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड, स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड, म्यूजिक एंड फिल्म से रिलेटेड, इफ इट इज अ डिसेंट वन। वल्गर कुछ नहीं लिख कर लाना। और उसके बाद आपको पॉलिटिक्स से रिलेटेड कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क मोर? और कुछ पूछना है आपको इस क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
should be concluded. नेक्स्ट क्लास से आप लोग लर्न भी करके आइएगा, तो हम लोग थोड़ा उसको भी रिवाइज कर पाएंगे। आई विल आस्क यू व्हाट यू हैव लर्न। क्लियर? ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज। ठीक है, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank you, ma'am.